Time to repack the bag, Jen.
Apparently I didn't pack it the right way. Y'all are taking me into bear country?
So begins the 17-mile trek. Through the aspens, across streams, and into the Maroon Bell Snowmass Wilderness we go. We're hiking in 6 miles to our campsite.
We're not that far from Capitol Lake, which is where we're going to camp. The hard work is really tomorrow.
How are your nerves at this point?
I'm trying not to look at that.
Yeah?
That is Capitol Peak. With the sun setting and showers moving in, we set up camp by Capitol Lake.
Y'all are sleeping outside, and I have a tent.
That's the bonus of being the only chick on this hike. Then, under a starry sky,
So the adventure begins now, huh?
Yeah.
It begins right now.
at 3:20 a.m., we start a slow 40-minute climb up to the pass.
Well, we're at about 12.5, so we've come up 900 feet from the lake.
And enter a quarry world of climbing, or more like scrambling in the dark.
And there's a lot of little holes right here.
At first light, Chris, Joe, and Michael go ahead.
Wow.
Sunrise is breathtaking.
K2, knife edge to Capitol Peak. They're right there.
Those tiny dots are Chris, Joe, and Michael.
There's John. Left me to go catch the rest of the guys.
My new goal became K2. As the guys go for summit, this is the most treacherous section, and John easily maneuvers the knife edge.
Some places you have to use your arms.
You can see the sheer drop of about 1,900 feet back down to Capitol Lake, and it's about 800 feet down into Pierre Lake's basin.
You gotta remember to breathe when you're up here.
And he's doing this with no ropes. John made it across in about a minute and a half. As Joe calculates his every move, slide, and scramble on the knife edge, the wind picks up.
Yeah, there you go. There's always a place for one of your feet.
And Chris coaches Michael across. Great summit shot, guys. That's Joe, Chris, Michael, and John. 14,130 feet high on Capitol Peak. Then they climb their way back to me, including back over the knife edge. Check out Chris easily zipping along the section that many, including me, won't attempt.
I'm beginning to think I'm nuts.
As we scramble along to one of the most difficult spots of the climb, with Chris and John guiding my every hand and foot placement. If I fall, it's a several hundred-foot drop. Looking down is a bad idea for someone who's scared of heights, and I hit a breaking point. But with their help, I make it. Keep in mind, we crossed this section before in the dark. As we reach the saddle, we get this view. Then down we go to rest and pack up camp and retrace our steps of the hike that we had done the day before, making it a round trip total of 17 miles.